Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, we'd like to talk about Solana, Sol USDT trading pair with my custom set, local updates. Let's dive in. Just a few moments for Sol now. First one, yes, we can see the seller pressure on Sol if the people start to receive the tokens and the money back from FTX, right? So what people will do with that Sol tokens or with USDT or with BTC, whatever, we can't know in a moment. Somebody definitely will sell because he needs money for a living, right? So he waits the 2 years to receive back that money. And now somebody can get money back and reinvest in some other tokens. Somebody can reinvest in Sol again, but definitely it can be the volatile days or the months. The second moment for the Sol is kind of bad with all this Libra fraud, and I totally don't understand why do people blame and complain about a Sol. So if the Libra could be launched on I don't know, on Arbitrum or on the Polkadot, it's something could be different or what? So the problem with the Sol chain or with people who addict in gambling, or who addict in creating the scam tokens. So 5 years in a row, we got like a meme sector. The people in the last 5 years launched the millions scam tokens. And now it's like token from president of Argentina. And people react like, wow, it's how it even possible they launched a scam token on Sol. It's not a problem of Sol. It's a problem of brainwashing the people who still trying to gamble with random meme tokens. Why and how you invest in the token for what? So the same story with Trump. Yes, some people get money with Trump, made money with Trump because they out in the right time. Some people lost the money. Some people lost the money in Melania and Trump, in ACT, in the Peanut. So what the difference between the Peanut and the Libra? What the difference? You open the charts, two identical charts. So I don't know why the people at the end complain about a Sol. So the problem with the Sol, what the Sol devs should do? They can ban the pump fund or what? So the people cannot deploy the contract and the shield in social media without even a pump fund. So previously, we don't have in Sol 21 the platforms which help deploy the tokens on Ethereum on a BNB chain. So the people just deploy by themselves, just land the contract, right? And they scam the people. So the problem not with a pump fund or especially the Sol like a token or the team or I don't know, the Solana coin. So the people buy the Sol to gamble the meme tokens. So this is a problem of Solana coin or what? Or the team? No, it's a problem of the people who gamble with the meme tokens and the loss of money. Because maybe it's going to be the surprise for you, but 99%, I guess, of the people lose the money with the meme tokens trading. No matter it's a Sol or Algo or what. If tomorrow, I already explained it to you, if tomorrow the Polkadot will launch and start promote, I guess they already have that platform for meme tokens and start promote it. So here, take a look, you can launch the own token on a Polkadot meme token. Just chill it. People start talking about, oh, Polkadot, it's a great tech. It's a great technology. Because now the meme sector, it's only the one driver, like marketing driver for the chain. Unfortunately, nobody cares about the tech. And at the end, because of Sol, it's so easy to use. It's so cheap gas fee, the people start using more the Sol tokens. Sol tokens like memes. And at the end, 99% of that meme token, it's a scam. And now everybody complain about a Sol like a chain. It's not a problem of Sol like a chain. Nothing changed with the Sol. It's a problem of people. So I just don't get it. And if the Polkadot starts shilling it, and at the end, the 99% people lose the money in the Polkadot meme tokens, what? People start complaining about a Polkadot? No. Or yes. So I don't know. Now that's not a thought. That's talks about the Solana is bad. Solana is crashes. Solana destroyed the crypto. Solana ruined the crypto. Sol is just a basic token. So if tomorrow on XRP they start launching the memes, so XRP will be bad. So I just don't get it. Technically, for Sol, 0.5, 38 level by FIB. Can we drop lower to 145? Yes, we can. Can we drop lower to 75? Yes, we can. All levels relevant. So we just sweep the top. Can Sol repeat the BTC chart of 2021? You remember, this was April, May. This was in November, October, 2021. And drop. But it was on the monthly time frame. This is on the yearly time frame. So can we repeat that story? Yes, of course. Can the Sol dump to $75 or even to 42 again to form double bottom global one? Yes. Guys, there is nothing impossible in crypto. Everything possible. So the same way here, the people scream, we can't drop to this one, but we dump it 95%. So why we here can't drop 95% again? It's possible. Why not? That's why, guys, it's all about your vision of the charts. And if you believe in the Sol, you can invest in even now. But the time to buy the Sol was in 27 zone. So at least in this range. Also, I'm not a fan of any token, especially the Sol, because I don't get the hype around. Without meme tokens, it's nothing special, right? I still think the Sol will hit the new all-time high again, 373, 558. So the target's absolutely relevant, and only time will show us will reach that target or not. So my plan is still the same. I'm not invested in the Sol, because I missed the time to buy Sol here. So now I don't see any reason why invest in some token with potential gains like 124% and 235 with a huge risk to dump here 55% in loss. I don't see any reason to invest now in Sol. For speculation, maybe. Now a lot of altcoins lay down at the bottom around here. So if you want to buy the Sol, of course you can buy. It's up to you. That zone I marked it before. So it's just an update. Take a look with my customer set. What's going on now? After day for a year, this one on the weekly time frame, this was signal to out of Sol. We hit the new all-time high, drop it down. Now we are in in the middle, and in the middle, I mean in the middle zone. So it's not accumulation, not even distribution. I think with that bad news around the Sol, that rumors, that FUD, you can call it whatever you want. I think the Sol can drop even to 144. In this case, the people start screaming, we're going to hell, so the Sol is bad, the Sol is scam, blah, 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 all this stuff. So the same people who screaming here, the Sol is the future, we go into the moon. Now this shift, shift the mindset, and start screaming, we're going down. We're going, because the Sol is bad. We're in the hope zone. The last time when we trade in the hope zone, it was here. So take a look how the sentiment change in the market. So it's kind of weird. So no accumulation, nothing. Months time frame, yes, it's still true zone, but yes, we got room for growth, in the next months up. But guys, keep in mind, a lot of altcoins now in much better position than Sol. If we talk about investment, here was sell, buy back, sell, no signal to sell. Here was a money outflow, 1, 2, 3 months in row money outflow. Now no money outflow, nothing, but especially no money inflow. Here's a lot of bearish signal was here. So this was a bullish one. Here's a money outflow at the top, sell, bearish MACD divergency, RSI bearish divergency at the top. and we dump it. Now no bullish signal, guys, on the weekly. Take profit. To take profit here, we test above the take profit line. So this one, it's will be test of 162 and 72. Next step on the weekly time frame, it's buy line 81.66 on the weekly time frame. And the daily time frame, it's the best case scenario. It's a test of the buy line. It's 144. So this is the way. So it's going to be like with a weak candle, 144. What I don't like here, we start curve down at 12 time frame. Also 143. It's buy line. For my value, it's 107. Take profit, it's 284. So guys, it's hard to say now what will happen next with Sol. Basically, I still believe in new all-time high for Sol, but just be careful. So this is definitely not a time to invest in token. Invest in token we need to when we trade on the fundamental value of the token, or at least at the buy line on the weekly. Now it's time to distribute. Yes, we can see the bounce and going down. So and going higher and after that down. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your thoughts about the Sol station now around the Libra, around all of that things, and the technical chart. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.